Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your artistic journey. Today, once again, I want to talk about the power of watercolor practice. Many people think that good artists are born with special talent, but after many years of painting, I have learned something different. Talent can help at the beginning, but practice is what makes an artist grow. When you start watercolor, everything may seem difficult. The water does not behave as you accept. Colors mix in unaccepted ways. Wash become uneven. Sometimes a painting looks nothing like what you imagine. This happened to every artist. It happened to me also. And it happened to artists around the world. The difference between a beginner and an experienced artist is not that one never make mistake. The difference is that experienced artists have made thousands of mistakes and learned from them. Watercolor is a teacher. Every painting teaches something. One painting teaches about color, another teaches about light, another teaches about patience. Even an unsuccessful painting teaches an important lesson. Imagine a river flowing through mountains. The river does not become strong in a single day. It keeps moving day after day, year after year. Slowly, it shapes the landscape around it. Your watercolor journey is the same. Every practice session, no matter how small, helps shape your skills. Many students become disappointed when they compare their work with professional artists. But remember, you are seeing the result of years of practice. You are not seeing the hundred of sketches, failed paintings, and experiment behind that artwork. Instead of comparing yourself with others, focus on your own journey. Ask yourself, am I improving? Am I learning? Am I practicing? If the answer is yes, then you are moving in the right direction. One thing I love about watercolor is its honesty. Watercolors show exactly how much time and effort we have invested. It rewards patience, it rewards observation, it rewards practice. The more you practice, the more you begin to understand the language of water and pigment. You learn when to wait, you learn when to add color, you learn when to stop. This lesson cannot be learned from books alone. They come from putting brush to paper again and again. A blank sheet of paper is not an enemy. It is an invitation. It is a chance to explore, learn, and create. Some days your painting will be successful, some days it will not. Both days are valuable because both days help you grow. Think about the white space in watercolor. We often leave parts of the paper untouched to create light and balance. In the same way, growth does not happen only during successful moments. Sometimes progress is happening quietly, even when we cannot see it. So whenever you feel discouraged, remember that every artist's journey is built one brushstroke at a time. One practice session may not seem important, but hundreds of practice sessions create confidence, skill, and artistic freedom. My message to all of you today is simple. Paint regularly, learn from your mistake, trust the process, and never stop being curious. The watercolor painting you dream of creating in the future begins with the practice you do today. Keep your brush moving, keep your eyes observing, and keep your heart connected to the joy of painting. Thank you, and I wish all of you a wonderful artistic journey.